So good morning aviation lovers, my name is AASHISH Kumar Sahu and guys, so welcome you all in my YouTube channel Aviation Live. So guys, if you are new in my channel, please do press the bell notification icon. So guys, today we'll be dealing with the vacancies, the new vacancies of the Qatar Airways. So join my Telegram channel, it's free of cost, and if you join my Telegram channel, you will be getting the latest job update and latest job vacancies regarding each and every airlines. Guys, in this channel I used to update the latest job vacancies and I used to also coach people to crack the airlines interview. So guys, today we'll be dealing with the new vacancy of the Qatar Airways, and in this vacancy it's a very amazing vacancy for the customer experience or customer service agent. Every night I used to come live at 8 p.m. in my YouTube channel Aviation Live, so you can also attend the live session and you can ask your doubts and queries, each and everything. First thing we'll be discussing about the qualification, what kind of qualification it is required in this job. Clearly mentioned that you have to be 12th pass, right? Either you are from state board or you are from the CBSE board or any other board or open board. What they need is that just a certificate. So you should be having at least, you should have at least 12th pass certificate. Now guys, coming to next thing is that having completed ITA or airlines basic course is preferred. For example, if you are having a customer service experience, right? If you have already worked in airlines industry and you have already having a working experience in airlines industry, guys, you are the people who will be giving the preference. Airlines will give you preference in this kind of job. Now guys, coming to next thing is that it's clearly mentioned interactive, customer service oriented with warm and cheerful expressive personality, right? So if you're having a cheerful nature and if you're having a customer service aptitude, guys, you are the person who will be given preference, in the interview. Flexible to work in rotational shift and to work in shift. So guys, it's clearly mentioned willing to relocate. And one more thing is that this center is located at Ahmedabad. So if you got selected, if you crack the interview, you'll be working at an Ahmedabad. Guys, one more thing is that one of my crash course student, Reena, she cracked the interview of this Qatar Airways customer service and she is working at, and she has done the coaching from the Aviation Life crash course. Guys, one more thing is that we provide online coaching to crack the airlines interview, and Reena was also the student of our crash course and she was very amazing and she was coached in a very professional way and she cracked the interview of customer service Qatar Airways. There are few people also who got selected without any experience. So there's nothing like that. If it's clearly mentioned, there's nothing like that. Sometimes what happens is that they don't get enough potential candidates. So what they used to do is that they used to hire the fresher candidates, and how to fill up the form, each and everything will be at the end of the video, right? So if you don't have an experience, even you don't have a 2 year of working experience, you can fill up the form. The salary of the employees working as a customer service at Ahmedabad base. So guys, the salary of the employees working at the customer service Ahmedabad base will be the 34,500 rupees. So guys, it's an amazing salary package. None of the domestic airlines, for example, if you join Indigo, SpiceJet, AirAsia, even though if you become cabin crew, this is the first salary which you will get, right? Even the cabin crew get very less salary as comparable to Qatar customer service. For example, if you become cabin crew in domestic airlines or you become cabin crew in SpiceJet, literally guys, the salary which you'll be getting, is less than 30,000 rupees or nearby 30,000 rupees. This is what the condition which is going till now. This is what the condition which is going in the market right now. So if you join Qatar customer service, you will be getting a salary of 34,500, right? Ye cheezein hain. Now guys, coming to next thing is that how to fill up the form, how to apply. Well, hello everyone guys, my name is AASHISH Kumar Sahu and guys, I am an ex-Airlines employee. Guys, one more thing that before moving the video further, let me make few things clear that I have cracked 6 ground staff interview and 1 cabin crew interview. Guys, one more thing that we used to provide professional coaching to crack airlines interview for ground staff and for the cabin crew. Guys, one more thing is that from till now, it's 1 year and till now we have 100 plus selection from our Aviation Life Institute. So guys, if you also want to join airlines industry and if you want to crack the airlines interview for cabin crew, for ground staff, for ramp agent, for security executive, for customer service, load and trim, air ticketing, guys, anything, guys, we are enough capable to provide any kind of coaching to you. So guys, if you want to crack the airlines interview, if you want to join Aviation Life Academy, if you want to crack the airlines interview with a very limited cost, very limited fees. So guys, what I've saw that outside institutes are charging 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh rupees. We are providing just 3,000 rupees and we are giving you coaching, and guys, till now we have results also. We have 100 plus selection. A lot of students have joined the crash course. They are working in the airlines industry. So guys, if you want to join the crash course, A lot of various courses are available. For example, the first crash course is of 499 rupees, which is for 7 days, and you can access that crash course by our app, that is Aviation Life. You can download our app Aviation Life and you can access that course. Now guys, coming to second course is the most popular course, that is the ground staff crash course and the cabin crew crash course. The fees of both the crash course is 3000 rupees. One more video will come where you will get a very good knowledge of what are the things will be available in these courses. And guys, I will be teaching you A to Z things कि कैसे form भरना, how to fill the form, how to apply, how to grooming, how to answer smartly in interview, what things you should hide in the interview, how to make your CV. That's the most read part. How to make CV, what things you have to showcase in your CV, what things you should hide in your CV. And guys, one more thing is that CV will be made by an ex-airlines employee and by those who have cracked 6 ground staff interview and 1 cabin crew. Guys, don't forget that we have 100+ selection in an airlines industry and all the people are working in the airport. So you can go to airport and you can see that they are working or not. So guys, this is all about the thing. Now guys, coming to we have next crash course is about the one-on-one personal coaching. So guys, if you want one-on-one personal coaching, I will be giving you one-on-one personal coaching and telling you all the secrets, will revealing each and everything to crack the airlines interview in one single attempt. Guys, we have 100+ selection, don't forget. And in one-on-one personal coaching, I'll be telling you each and everything. So guys, we have 3 type of coaching, that is 499 for 7 days crash course in our Aviation Life app, that is a recorded lecture and all the things will be available. Second crash course is of 3000 rupees. It's a ground staff crash course and cabin crew crash course in which I will be making your CV and I will be coaching you professionally to crack the airlines interview. Now guys, the third crash course is of 10,000 rupees, and in that I'll be giving you one-on-one personal guidance daily for 1 hour. And then the next crash course is a spoken English crash course where you'll be learning with the Airlines Employee. Will be telling you how to improve, how to work on your spoken English, what you have to say, how you have to say, in what manner you have to say. Each and everything will be telling you personally in Google Meet. So guys, that's a class of a proper spoken English class. So guys, we have all these 4 crash courses available. So if you want to join, do send me a WhatsApp message in my number, that is 7999508444, and do join our Telegram channel where each and everything will be updated. Guys, the thing is that there will be separate video for each and every courses. So if you want to join, do join fast because I only teach 30 students. So guys, this was all about the video. So let's move ahead with your duty and job responsibility. So duty and job responsibility is that replying the customers from mail, from web, and replying their phone calls, handling the phone calls, handling the customer. It's clearly mentioned that you have to respond the customer queries by telephone, by phone call, by mail. Suppose if they have any query, so what they will be doing? They will not be dealing with the airport, right? They will be dealing with you guys. You will be people who will be working at a kind of a call center. So you have to deal with the people of Qatar, those people who are traveling in Qatar Airways. So what they want is that they want a good communication skills. Guys, remember one thing is that if you don't have a good communication skills, there are very high chances that you will be rejected in an interview, right? So I will suggest that please focus on the communication skills because communication plays a very important role. It is airlines, in this kind of interviews, your look doesn't matter. Many people say कि grooming matter करती है. By interview is all about their customer service of handling phone calls and all. How grooming can matter? They tell me how grooming matters. This is a job where customer service agent is written here and you will be the responsible to handle call. You will be the person who will be responsible to handle queries, right? There's nothing like flight operations. It's clearly mentioned here, right? Maintain and great report required, sell and upsell cross Qatar products service to customer, professional training based on Amadeus system, and Qatar Airways product coaching period provided by the subject matter. So this is not a operational work where the grooming matters. What matters is the quality which you are having. What matters is the communication skills which you are having. What matters how you handle the situation. What matters is how you perform in the interview. That matters, right? So they doesn't consider about your past life, present life, this and that, ye wo and all, right? This is a profession where your look doesn't matter in this interview. Depend on interview to interview. Right? Depend on interview to interview. So in this interview, your look doesn't matter to interview. Right? We in the airlines industry, we are not looking for the good looks. We are looking for those people who can work with us, those people who are honest, and rest other things are in the courses. Right? Ye cheez hai. Now guys, coming to next thing is that how to apply for this kind of job. Okay. How to apply, and the next thing is that how the interview will be conducted. So to apply, what you can do is that you can go to Qatar Airways website. Link will be given in the description. Do click on the link, although the link will be at the end of the description. So do go to the end, do click on the link, do see the link, and do fill the form. What you have to do is that you have to also make a CV and you have to apply online for this kind of job. And once your CV is shortlisted, they will be calling you for the interview. So once they will be calling you for the interview will be conducted online in a Sonaru app. So guys, we used to make professional CV, we used to give professional coaching, professional guidance that our students are working at Qatar Airways customer service. So if you also want to make a career and if you also want to join international airlines, and guys, one more thing, remember that in future if you go for the Qatar Airways cabin crew interview, so if you are an employee of Qatar Airways, you will be getting preference in the interview, right? You will be getting preference in the interview, guys. So this was all about the video, and if you want to crack them now, guys, coming to next thing is that how to face the interview and in how many rounds the interview will be conducted. So guys, I will make a detailed video of how the interview will be conducted. This was all about the video that the new vacancy has arrived and last date is, I guess, 28th of Feb. So I will suggest that don't wait for the last date. Okay कि मैं आखिरी में अप्लाई करूंगा. Don't be foolish chap. Right? Be smartest of the smart. Apply as fast as you can. Right? So this was a detailed video about Qatar Airways customer service Ahmedabad base. So if you get job, so you will be working at Ahmedabad. So guys, this was all about the video. Tab tak le guys, bye bye, take care, namaskar and Jai Hind to all.